directors and officers insurance protects those who invest, who govern a company. They are the directors and the officers. In consideration of the payment of premium in reliance on the application and subject to the declarations and terms and conditions of the policy, the insurer and the assureds agreed as follows. Severability of general terms and conditions. These general terms and conditions apply to each and every coverage section of the policy. The terms and conditions of each coverage section apply only to the coverage section and shall not be construed to apply to another coverage section. Definitions. Whenever used in this policy, the terms appear in boldface type shall have meaning set forth in the definitions section of the general terms and conditions. However, if a term appears in boldface type in particular coverage section and is defined in that coverage section, that definition shall apply for purposes of that particular coverage section. Terms that appear in boldface in the general terms and conditions but are not defined in the definitions are defined in other coverage sections of the policy shall have the meaning ascribed to them in those coverage sections. Application means all applications, including any attachment thereto, and all other information and materials submitted by or on behalf of the insurers to the insurer in connection with the insurer underwriting this policy or any other policy with an inception date within 36 months prior to the inception date of this policy, of which this policy is a renewal or replacement. All such applications, attachments, information, materials, and documents are deemed attached to and incorporated into this policy. Discovery period means one of the periods described in item E of the declarations which is elected and purchased pursuant to section H below. Domestic partner means any natural person qualifying as a domestic partner under the provisions of any applicable federal, state, or local law, or under the provisions of any formal program established by the organization.